Hi, it's your girl Hunchovb VB. I hope everyone's having a great day today. I thank you for tuning in. You know, I've been using my Ninja Foodi a lot, and I was just thinking I've never tried the slow cooker function. So today we're going to do some barbecue chicken using the slow cooker function on the Ninja Foodi. So I have some chicken thighs, some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So come on, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to season the chicken with some Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. I love the seasoning. And I'm going to also use some Mrs. Dash. Okay, let's get this over into the Ninja Foodi. Okay, I got the chicken into the Ninja Foodi pot. And I'm going to add some Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. Yum. Okay. I'm going to put on the lid. Have on the pressure cooker lid. Although we're not pressure cooking, make sure if it's over to the left, you know that's you're in the seal. We don't want it sealed. So make sure it's moved to the right. We want this in the vented position. Okay, I'm going to turn this on. And we're going to do slow cook. High. I'm going to do 4 hours and start. So I'll bring you back in 4 hours. Okay, the time is up. Oh wow, this looks good. And this is exactly the results I was expecting. Yes. So it looks like it cooks the exact same way that a slow cooker would cook. And I had it on high for 4 hours. Okay. I don't have to do anything, but I think I'm going to add some Sweet Baby Ray's. You know, I already put the Carolina Gold on there. Okay, so I squirted some of the Sweet Baby Ray's on there. And I think I'm going to put it on the air crisp for just a few minutes. Okay, I'm not pouring out any liquid or anything. Close the lid, turn it back on. And now I'm going to air crisp. I'll leave it at 390. And I'll do 8 minutes. Okay, I'll bring you back. Okay. All right, guys. Yeah, I like those results better. Yum. Okay, so this shows you the versatility of the unit, because we did slow cooking and then we also topped it off with air frying or air crisping. And that's the Ninja Foodi. I'm going to get this plated so we can give it a taste. Guys, look at here, look at here. Well, I am again pleased with the end result from the Ninja Foodi. Look at this, guys. Look at the chicken. And here again, it shows the versatility of the Ninja Foodi. I put this in I used the slow cooker function or mode, and then after that completed, then I swap the lids and then use the air crisp or the air frying mode and glazed what was already cooked in the slow cooker part. Oh my goodness, this looks good. Okay, look how tender. I can cut it with a fork. Look at this. Oh gosh. Okay, guys. Let's give this a taste. Guys, looking at this plate has made me hungry. Look at it. Whoa. Okay. Again. This is so good. I taste all the flavors. Because if you remember, I used that Himalayan pink salt with the black pepper and garlic, and then I used on top of that, I used Mrs. Dash and 2 different types of barbecue sauce. So it cooked in one barbecue sauce and was glazed in another. Gosh, this is good. This is so good. And you see, I got my one muffin that I cooked in another video. You can check the icon above. Guys, I want to spend more time with you, but I'm hungry now and I'm going to go eat. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, click like, and share. And don't forget to hit that bell button down below so you can be notified of upcoming new videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. I want to thank you for coming into my kitchen. And until next time, Hunchovb BB is out. Peace, peace, and love, and God's blessing.